Big Canoe's fall market is shifting gears. Here's the September numbers. 18 homes sold with an average list price of $866,500. Average sales price of $799,200. They were on the market for an average of 70 days and sold for 95% of their original asking price. Homes sold for an average price per square foot of $224. Currently, there are 90 homes for sale with an average list price of $739,375. I'm sure you've noticed the price reductions, which represents 4% average reduction from their original price. These active homes have been on the market for 125 days. Average price per square foot is $248. Currently, there are 13 homes pending, ready to close. They have been on the market for an average of 62 days and priced at $233 per square foot. Thinking of selling before the year end? Let's talk strategy. Wanda Stewart, Associate Broker with RE/MAX 5-Star. There's no place like home.